and welcome to Zen Appeal. My name is Tanya Peel. I will be leading you today through a nice short midday practice, or just any time you feel like you need a little bit of moving, stretching out throughout the body. Come here, come get a nice little stretch for yourself. So we'll start practice today in a nice little crisscross applesauce or a sukhasana, one leg in front of the other one. Find your spine nice and tall, arms resting on the knees for finger thumb. Find the belly button and engage. Pull the belly button back towards the spine. Close the eyes and find your breath in and out the nose. So we start by checking into practice. We check in with our bodies. How does the body feel today? We check in with our minds. What's going on there? And then moving into fully breath aware, noticing all sensations that come with breathing. Take our prayer hands to heart center, Anjali Mudra. One nice Om, big breath. Thank you for joining me on this thing. All right, let's get started. Find our box from here. Hands underneath the shoulders and thighs, knees underneath the hips. We'll take cow and cat. Nice inhale for cow. It's a back bend. Let the belly drop. And then exhale for cat. Chin to chest. Press into the earth. Shoulder blades move away from the spine. And go again. Inhale. And exhale. Neutral spine, I'll take a breath. So we're going to send our hips back to the right foot on the exhale. Move the torso over to the left and reach the right arm over towards the left upward corner of your mat, but on a diagonal. So just off to the side. Hold 3, 2, 1, inhale, we pick up. Exhale for the other side. So we let the hips go back, left, torso over right, reach, left arm up, head down, hold 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, we pick up to center. Here we're gonna let the hips go forward, just like a snake pose. So we let the hips go forward, shoulders back, head up. Take a breath here, and then exhale, tuck, roll through the spine, and we'll send this back to child's pose with big toes together. And then we'll take one more forward and back. Inhale brings you forward, and exhale takes you back. Taking neutral spine, we'll tuck the toes and we'll send the hips up and back for your downward facing dog. We'll take a little walking of the dog, bend one knee, alternate, change sides. So work through your toes, the arches, the ankles. Whenever you're ready, just let the heels come back down to the earth. And we'll move our hands back towards our feet, about 1 hand spacing. We're going to twist the dog. So take the right hand to left ankle. And we're going to pull our torso downward toward the legs. and a little bit of a twist as well. So the right shoulder goes back a little bit more than the left because the left is staying here holding you in the downward facing dog. And we're looking under the space under the left arm. One more breath here. Inhale, release. The right, exhale, go in for the left. So same thing, I catch the right ankle, give it a little pull, so the left shoulder goes down, that brings the twist on. Then you're looking under the right arm space, just through there. And you don't need your eyes, you can just have the head turned that way. One more breath. And release. Inhale, we shift back into our downward facing dog, and exhale, forward. Move the hands, level out the body into plank pose. Take breath. Exhale, let the right knee drop down to the earth and pivot into baby side plank. That's just side plank on the knee, gentle version. Hips are shifting forward, reach the left arm. Inhale, pick up the leg, make a straight line here, and then exhale back to catch. So we bend the leg, we're catching the ankle and the foot with the hand. And then a little kick, let the leg pull the arm back, gives you a nice back bend. Hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale, long line again, and then exhale back to your plank. Take breath here. For the other side, left knee down and pivot again. So here the hips go forward, straight line, pick up, inhale. Back to catch again, exhale. Leg bends, reach back, find ankle or foot. Nice little kick, hold. 3, 2, fantastic stretch. 1, inhale, we reach. Back to the line and exhale, back to plank. Breath here. Exhale, send this back to your downward facing dog. We'll heel toe the feet together in the back. And we'll go right in to a lizard pose on the right. So inhale, come in, plant the foot. Exhale, extend the leg. One more each. Inhale in to the knee, and exhale, extend the leg. Stay here, plant the left hand, reach the right, just for a little 0.1 degree of difficulty here. And we release, plant the hand and draw back. And of course that 0.1 applies to those who are fairly practiced. For others, it might be quite challenging. All right, other side. We take an inhale in, left foot outside of left hand. Exhale, extend the front leg. One more each. Inhale into the front leg. Exhale, extend. All right, right hand stays on the earth. Reach the left, inhale up. Hold. And we send the hand down, bend back into the knee and let go. Back to downward facing dog. So here, we're going to inhale high up onto the ball of the foot. See if we can stay on the ball of the foot and walk this forward close to the hands. So I'm pressing into the earth with the hands and the arms to get length through my shoulder blades as well. I'm just making the side of my body make my arms longer so I can stay high on the ball of the foot, heels high. So you can work on getting your hands as close as you can to the legs. That of course challenges the balance. And you're folding. One more breath. And we release. Good job. So here, let's just take a nice step out wide. So either step to the side, long ways on your mat, or just off the sides of your mat. It really doesn't matter. My clothes are big today, apparently. All right, so hands on the earth, take a breath. bend into the knees. And here we're going to shift right and left. So leave the knees bent. So we're just keeping the hips level and go a little side to side. So a lot of stretch for the inner thigh, the hip, the glute. So this shifting side to side is going to eventually bring us into a place where we're in lunge on the knee. All right, so we'll move to the right leg. So right leg bent, start to pivot the hands, pivot the feet, and drop down to the back knee. Hips push forward, there's a fantastic stretch there. Interlace the fingers, inhale, pick up. Expand the chest. Hold 3, 2, 1. Hands back inside of the right foot, back foot tucked under. Inhale, come to center, wide legs, breath. We'll take a pause and a fold here. Hold. Maybe shoulder opener behind the back. Interlace the fingers. Arms over the head. One more breath. And we release the hands. Inhale, pick up. Let's try the other side. So if you want to go through the bent knee, you can bend it on the left and then pivot in, but not required. You don't necessarily miss anything there from not bending the knee. All right, so here we have the hips moving forward. Interlace the fingers, inhale up, expand, expand. Hold 3, 2, 1. Hands inside of the left foot. Back foot tuck under, come back to center. Take breath. One more fold here. Hands to the earth, inhale, pick up. We'll let the right foot come off the mat and right knee come down onto the mat. So here, let's twist. Right hand underneath the heart, press into the earth, reach away. So you can stay here just reaching or behind the back. Hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale, release. Exhale, come down. Change legs here. So we let the left knee go down and reach the right leg. Left hand underneath heart, press in and reach away. Inhale. Stay or behind the back, catch the inner thigh, hold 3, 2, 1. Inhale and rebel out. Exhale, come down. All right, both knees come together. This time we take a sit. Nice prone twist. So we'll let our hips move off the feet. Forward, which for me, forward is now the back of the mat. Pull long, twist the body. Left ear on the earth, arms down. And stay here a couple of breaths. Try to relax the neck and the spine, all that you feel. And then let the hands find the earth, chin on the earth. Inhale, pick up. Exhale to the other side. So you can simply switch the legs. I guess make it easier on yourself to a degree. And then pull the spine long. Turn the head. Arms down. It's the same thing here. Try to relax the spine and the neck. Nice breath. Hands on the earth, chin on the earth. Inhale, pick up. And we come back into our Sukhasana. So we're going to take our next few moments just to simply observe body and breath. You can do this sitting, as I am, or you can do this lying on the earth. Notice how the body feels now after moving a little. Also the mind and the breath. So if you can, stay here for another 2 to 3 minutes. Maybe eventually find yourself lying flat on the earth, just so you can bring in the solid, grounded, supported earth beneath you, just to connect the body to the earth. It's nice. Or simply finish here. So I'm going to take my last few moments here on the earth. So you can join me or stay sitting. Otherwise, I will leave you here. Always a pleasure to lead you through your practice until next we meet. All my love. Namaste.